Hello and welcome to neoporters.com. Today we will be showing you how to make this no-sew fleece throw. We have made two so far. This Star Wars one that I made and this Harry Potter one that my sister made. Today we will be showing you how to make this third one. This throw kit that we bought from Joann's, and they currently have a wide variety in stock. You can also get it from our website that you can find in the iCard or in the description below. You can also make this using your favorite fabrics with 2 sheets of fleece in 72-inch long sections. This kit comes with 2 sheets of fleece. To put this kit together, you need the 2 fleece sheets contained and 1 pair of scissors that can easily cut through fleece. The first step is to lay the 2 pieces of fleece wrong sides together on a table or on the floor. So as you can see, we've laid these wrong sides together on a table, and the next step is to cut off the selvage from the edges of the fleece. Next, we're going to be cutting 5-inch squares out of each of the corners. I'm going to be using this square measuring tool. Just make it like, let's do that, and do that. Take this away, and then just follow through with finishing off the corner. There we go. Now repeat with all 3 of the other corners. Next, you're going to want to make 1-inch segments 5 inches long, all the way down each side of the fabric. Now we have cut all the way around the fabric, and now we will begin tying. To tie it, you take 2 pieces that are on top of each other. You cross them over, take one under and through the hole, and pull tight. Then you cross them over again. Take the other one, put it through the hole, and pull tight. Repeat all the way around the fleece, and you will have your completed throw. This is the one we completed throughout this video. Oh, here it is, nice and finished. And these are the other 2 that we have completed again. If you are interested in seeing more photos or to get this pattern or supplies for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of the video to visit our website at neoporters.com. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite project. Visit our website, neoporters.com, to find lots of other craft projects and tutorials.